This is the inner navigation of the conditioned mind space. In other words, creating a structure, which itself is a structure, to examine itself in the coding modes: language, obviously psychological, conditional, neurological, whole body physiological systems, energetic imagery, assuming, and this is just an idea on an intellectual basis, but if you take it to the step of imagining what that would look like, that you're an energetic being awakening in this human form, learning the wiring of it, so to speak, through the endocrine system, the neurotransmitters. You're learning all of that. You're learning languages to speak to yourself, to condition the mind body to create a space of homeostasis within your own biological, psychological matrix that you can sit still in and take the time to really take note of all of the different multitude, trillions of things going on. Just take note. You don't have to pay attention to each one, but take note of the immensity of what this is. And you, as the conscious being that's talking to itself, trying to examine itself, are in charge of at least that. Take the time. And that's all that we're doing here, is taking the time to examine ways to talk to ourselves, that we can examine just who is talking to who. Okay? Hard to wake up in the matrix. This is so fascinating, fractal ways. But the center of consciousness has to maintain itself through. Otherwise, you disintegrate in form. There's no way to stabilize the image. How can you be awake in a dream if you can't find an awakening point of consciousness, an image? You have to stabilize the image in real time, real life. Then it permeates through everything in your life. All right.